night, wrapped in dreams and soft moonlight, till the dawn comes back so soon. Sleep well, Panda love the moon. Sing along with kids. 1, 2, 3, let's count to 10. We'll count and clap and start again. 4, 5, 6, we're having fun. Jump up high and spin and run.
7, 8, we're feeling great. Slide like snakes and twirl like skate. 9 and 10, hooray, we're through. Wave your hands and shout, Yahoo! Let's count again with friends so near, and sing these numbers loud and clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's play and count and start again.
Sing along with kids. Panda was napping under a tree, dreaming of clouds and honeycomb tea. A flutter, a flicker, so light and shy, landed near Panda, a bright butterfly. She danced in the air with color so wide. Come follow me, she softly cried. Panda blinked and gave a small smile. I'll follow you just for a while. They tiptoed through flowers, across a small stream, like a page from a soft floating dream. Butterfly twirled through the morning light. Panda laughed, what a magical sight. When the sun dipped low in the golden sky, Panda waved to the butterfly. Sing along with kids. 9 little kittens bouncing on the couch. 1 tumbled off with a tiny ouch. 8 little kittens springing like a ball. 1 leapt too high and took a small fall. 7 little kittens flipping with delight. 1 slid down, oh what a sight. 6 little kittens in a jump and jive. 1 got dizzy, then there were 5. 5 little kittens bouncing to the floor. 1 rolled over, now there are 4. 4 little kittens landing on a knee. 1 slid off and then there were 3. 3 little kittens giggling as they flew. 1 took a nap, now just 2. 2 little kittens having so much fun. 1 did a flip, then there was 1. 1 little kitten bouncing all alone. She curled up tight with a tired little groan. Sing along with kids. I have a puppy, small and sweet. He wiggles his tail and sniffs my feet. I call him Max, he loves to play. He barks and runs around all day. I have a kitten, soft and shy. She chases butterflies that fly. She purrs and curls up in my bed, with tiny paws and stripes of red. I have a bunny, bouncy and white. She hops around from left to right. She loves her carrot, fresh and bright, and snuggles close when it's night. I have a parrot, green and loud. He sings his song so clear and proud. He says hello and flaps his wings. He loves to talk and do funny things. I have a goldfish, shiny and bold, swimming in water, never cold. He blows small bubbles every day and flicks his tail in a gentle way. So clap your hands and say their names. Let's play the pet animal naming games. Puppy, kitten, bunny too. Parrot, goldfish, I love you. Sing along with kids. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, cows in the corn. But where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. Will you wake him? Oh no, not I. For if I do, he's sure to cry. Will you wake him? Oh no, not I. For if I do, he's sure to cry.